Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Freshdesk macros for faster support responses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Freshdesk macros for faster support responses, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. In the admin panel, scroll down until you find the macros option and click on it. You will see a button labeled New Macro in the top right corner. Click on it. In the macro creation page, enter a descriptive name for your macro. Next, select the actions you want this macro to perform. You can choose from options like adding a note, sending an email, or updating ticket status. After selecting the actions, you can customize the text for emails or notes to suit your support style. If you want to add conditions to your macro, use the Add Condition button to specify when it should be applied. Once you've added all desired actions and conditions, review your macro for accuracy. When you're satisfied with the setup, click the Save button to finalize your macro creation. Your new macro will now be available for use in support tickets. To apply the macro in a ticket, open the desired ticket and click on the Apply Macro drop-down menu. Select the macro you just created from the list. After selecting the macro, all the predefined actions will be applied automatically. This setup will significantly reduce the time you spend responding to common support inquiries. Regularly review and update your macros to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By efficiently utilizing macros, you can enhance both your productivity and customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.